Welcome to week 46, CSONS at home. Yeah, this week we've gone down a bit of an Italian kind of route. So we've got some nice sourdough croutons made with our homemade bread. We've got some first of the season purple sprouting broccoli coming in. We've got a nice anchovy kind of salsa verde-y type thing. We've got some delicious crispy kale and some Caer Caradoc, some Moyden's Caer Caradoc cheese. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put the croutons in the oven. Oven's on about 180. It's all kind of in one pan, this one. Just warm up our pan. Pretty much what we're going to do, we're just going to warm the purple sprouting with the anchovy dressing. Pan's just getting hot now, so chuck them in. They're already cooked, and we're not looking for any colour, so we're just going to get the anchovy on there. Of course, you can use water, it smells good. So we're just going to leave that in there to warm up. They're looking good. Give them another little toss through. We want to keep some of the sauce, so we don't want to boil it all off. So just want a bit of a low heat. Okay, next we're going to put the crispy kale in with the croutons, just to give them a final crisp up and a freshen up. Okay, so these are nice and crisp now. Broccoli's ready. What I'm going to do first is make the base like this, and we'll finish with the star of the show, that's the broccoli. So just dot them round a little bit like that. Take some of this ultra crispy good stuff. I'm going to split these nice and evenly between the two. And then all that anchovy dressing. Drizzle that over. Lovely. Then we've got some Caer Caradoc, that's kind of like a Caer filly, but made nearby by Mr. Moyden's. I'm just going to dot that around. I'll just put a little drizzle of olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil. And there we go.